You're working in a bar? Yeah. So you're working customer service? Yeah. For a bathroom company? Yeah. Right, and so do you do that in the workplace or? Yeah, I have to go in a box. I'll go in there in the morning. Tell me about the kind of calls you get. I'll get calls and I'll go, And so what kind of things? Well, they'll like call up and they go, this fucking thing in front of my face and it keeps coming down. Or the water and the screen is not fucking working. I don't give a shit. The toilet, yeah, something about the toilet's fucked or this. You're a holistic healer. Yes, the whole thing, the whole thing. You treat the whole thing. The whole person, and a little hand job. Really? You've got to treat the whole person, you know, every aspect. You've got to try to make them happy. You can't make them happy with a little hand job. So, good for you. And you? I'll give 2 hand jobs. James, I had no idea, darling. I had no idea, 2 at a time. So talented. I'm driving, and not giving hand job. I've got my foot on the pedal. The foot's on the pedal? Oh, yeah, keep them down while you give them a hand job. Sorry. So you drive it, is it a London taxi? Yeah, classic. Classic black cab. Yeah, the old school. You did the knowledge? Yeah, I did the fucking knowledge. Waste of fucking time that was. Did you drive today? I did. You took a few rides? Yeah, I do it all the time.